The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, man, you know where I watch?
I was in the bathroom washing. Then me get up, take off them clothes, bathe them, put on clothes on them, put them on the bed to sit down. Me watch cartoon. Me have a sugar bun for them, so me go buy one Pepsi from Miss Nitty and me sit down on the step. I lay my head on the wall. I see smoke come through the window. But through fire always light down there. I don't know where smoke always a come. So I did here and I sit down, see him way and I hear somebody say, How light fire in idea? I'm still in a pain no mind, come sit down. I get up. So I feel sleepy. I want to sleep. So I get up. So I go inside because I don't want to sleep. When I get up and turn around, I feel it's close on the line. I see smoke come through the doorway. So I run go in. I be a dark smoke I see. And I hear Papa say, Mommy, I can't see. And I say, come. But I can't see nothing. So I go in and grab him. And I grab him. I don't know who I grab. I just grab and throw him outside. And I grab and throw him outside. I realize, yeah, Papa, and I did look for Ashley. And I say, Ashley, I call Ashley. I can't get Ashley. Because I call for help. Nobody not help. Everybody stand up out there and I look. So I call me and say, help me baby. And everybody sit down there. And I look. I'm going to go out the door. I'm going to get one pan of water. We don't see if we could have it. Because food, they always hear say, when you have water in that house, smoke, it will just smoke. Draw away smoke. I did look in the dark. Can't see no, so I run out. I run go down the gate and I ask Bully to help me. The Bully stand up and look for me. I run go back up by body man. I ask him to help me. So he can't help me. Run go to the lady next to her son. I asked him to help me baby, help me baby. He said, can't help me baby because your mother thinks they've destroyed. I go out and run. And I ball for the lady for help. Help me baby, help me baby, help. Fire, help me baby because the dog was missing a heap of smoke with this in the fire. I run come back, I people them run and run come back. I'm going there also feel heat. Oh God. I feel the heat. I can't. Everybody stand up and look. Everybody stand up and look up and chick come back and come in my door. In my door. He come in my door. Still in our house. Then what will pull me out there? And then they hold me down. Then two fire truck come. What did I do? Oh God, oh God, oh God. No, else because the ambulance come for me. Oh God.
Viewers and subscribers, you see what I just heard a while ago in this video that shows of a female talking about a situation that she said she had went through. In my point of view, that's not something easy to live with. You see me? It's really sad. You see me? And the thing about it now, you know, I'm just going to talk about this thing according to how I understand what she had said, you know. You see what I'm saying to you? Because a lot of times you have persons that go on social media and them, you know, them say some things just to get the attention or the views. You see what I'm saying to you? So therefore, I'm going to say it like this, that if everything that she's saying right about now is true, then viewers and subscribers, it's not something easy to live with. You see what I'm saying to you? It's not like I know this person, of viewers and subscribers, you see me? And it's not like I know about the incident that this person is talking about either. You see me? So therefore, I have to say it like that. Say, yo, if what she has said is true, then this is not something easy to live with. Me just listening to the story a while ago, viewers and subscribers, me I tell you, it's like me feel squeezed in. Me feel it. You get what I said to you? Viewers and subscribers, me know someone will lost not only one, but two child in our fire already, you know, viewers and subscribers. So, you see me, and me see how that person did react to that thing, you know. You see me? As something where it will hurt you mentally. Because, you know, you keep on thinking about what had happened and, you know, the child and, you know, it's like me can't really too say, yo, me understand because I've never been in a situation like that, and to be honest, I don't want to find myself in a situation like that. You understand? You see me? But me I tell you, when me really and truly look into it, me I say, John, know that hard. And when you come on to something like this where a child had lost their life in a fire or certain things like that, you see me? You know, you're going to hear persons out there might have said, how you make that happen? Parents careless, what caused it? And all kinds of speculations and questions and all kinds of assumptions. Yo, all of that no matter to me, no viewers and subscribers. None of that no matter to me. All me I look at is that a child had lost his life. You see what I'm saying to you, or her life. You see me? That's all me I look at, you know. You understand? So the whole heap of questions and, you know, speculations and blaming thing not really, you see me? Look, if it is somebody's carelessness that their child had died, them have to go live with that for the rest of their life. You see me? If I feel them carelessness or recklessness or whatsoever, you see me? And to me, that's a big punishment. Yeah, that to me is like a big punishment, you see me? So, me not gonna really just get up and judge somebody about something like this. You see what I'm saying to you? Because, you know, me don't know the situation. I don't know the person. I don't know this female neither. So therefore, you know, me not gonna just get up and judge somebody like that and say, yo, then kill this or then wreck this or whatever. No, you know. Me don't know the person, me don't know what happened, me don't know how it happened. What if it is not their fault totally? You see what I'm saying to you? And even so be the case, the main thing that I'm looking at, like I said, the main thing I'm looking at is that a child had lost his or her life. You understand? And that is not something we're easy to look at. Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I am going to leave this, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to make sure that I said this right about now. That what this female had said in the video, I do not know if it is actually accurate or true, but however, I just presented a video to you. It's out on social media, and this video shows of a female explaining about something that she said that happened to her, where she's saying that she lost a child in a house fire, right? It's like her house had caught on fire and her child had died in that fire. All right, and viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media where, you know, there has been, you know, things that has been said about this video on social media and so on, and I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it, and that you can also tell me what you think about something like this. All right, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man.